Topic trigonometry. Trigonometry means tri means 3 and gonia means angle, metron means measurements, means 3 angle measurements. Okay, so now here trigonometry we are using only right angle triangle. Well, we can say here trigonometry using finding heights and distance, height of the buildings and river depth, like this only here finding heights and distance. So here in this trigonometry using 6 ratios, what are there? That are sin theta and cos theta, tan theta and cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. So here draw triangle, right angle triangle A B C, means here angle B equal to 90 degrees, triangle A B C, right angle triangle. Okay, so angle is C. Here take angle C equal to theta. So here angle theta, angle C, opposite side is opposite side to theta. This is what? AB. This is adjacent side. Adjacent side equal to BC and hypotenuse equal to AC. Okay, now sin theta, angle is here. Sin means opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite equal to what here? AB by hypotenuse equal to AC. Cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side 2 theta by hypotenuse equal to adjacent side equal to BC by hypotenuse equal to S. Tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite equal to what? AB by BC. Now cot theta equal to adjacent by opposite, adjacent side equal to BC by AB. Secant theta equal to hypotenuse by secant theta adjacent, means secant equal to AC by BC. Next one, cosecant theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite, that equal to AC by A. So these are trigonometric ratios. So using all this sin, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant only. This is the trigonometric ratios using sides. Okay. This side is opposite. This is adjacent. This is hypotenuse. Okay. Next one. Using this ratios, I will explain exercise questions. Sin theta equal to exercise 1. Sin theta equal to 3 by 5. Means sin theta equal to 3 by 5. Find all trigonometric ratios. Means like this given question, sin theta equal to 3 by 5. Find all trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, first draw diagram. Right angle triangle. Sin theta, A, B, C. Angle is here, theta. This is opposite and this is adjacent and this one is hypotenuse, this side. So sin theta equal to 3 by 5. Sin means what? Sin means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite equal to this value, hypotenuse equal to here. Find this length. Find adjacent length. Adjacent length how much? How to find adjacent? Use Pythagoras. Use Pythagoras theorem. Use Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Okay. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem definition what? The square of hypotenuse. The square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. This is the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Everyone writing always AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, but don't write like that. So hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Now we want adjacent side. Adjacent word what? So here hypotenuse square, opposite square, and here adjacent square. Hypotenuse square equal to 5 square, opposite square equal to 3 square, adjacent square equal, don't know, that side is AB square. 5 square equal to 25 minus 3 square equal to 9, that equal to AB square. AB square equal to 25 minus 9, 16. AB equal to under root of 16, that equal to 4. This side equal to 4. Now find remaining ratios. Write down now. Cos theta. Cos theta equal to what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent equal to AB by hypotenuse equal to S. AB equal to 4 by 5. Tan theta. Tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite equal to what? BC by adjacent equal to AB. That equal to 4 by 3 by 4. Cot theta equal to adjacent by opposite, that equal to 4 by 3. Secant theta equal to adjacent hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse equal to AC by adjacent equal to AB, that equal to 5 by 4. And cosecant theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite, that equal to hypotenuse equal to what? AC by opposite equal to BC, that equal to 5 by. These are remaining ratios. This is sin theta equal to 3 by 5. Find all trigonometric ratios. Like this, cos also giving. Cos equal to 3, 4 by 5. Find all trigonometric ratios. This is one question. Next, trigonometric table values. Table values means based on angles. Okay. Actually, sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 40 by 1 by root 2, sin 60, root 3 by 3, sin 90, 1. I will explain proof this way. Draw one right angle triangle, one equilateral triangle. A, B, C means triangle ABC equilateral triangle. Means all angles. Angle A equal to, angle B equal to, angle C equal to 60 degrees. This 60 degrees, this 60 degrees, this 60 degrees. And one more, this is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides equal only. Now all sides are equal. All sides equal means AB equal to BC equal to CA. Consider all sides are equal. That value I am taking 2A. Means this value, this side is 2A. This side is 2A. This side is 2A. Okay. Now consider construction. Drawing perpendicular line here. Perpendicular means this angle is 30 and 30 and here 90 degrees. Okay, here 90 degrees. This line is bisecting. BC line is bisecting. Take this value T. AD perpendicular BC. AD perpendicular BC. Now AD perpendicular BC. So BC equal to 2A. BD equal to half of the BC. Means 2A by 2. 2 cancel, that equal to A. Means this side is 1A. This side is 1. Okay. Now triangle ABC. This triangle I am taking. This triangle taking, this is 90 degrees. Angle B equal to 90 degrees. AC equal to 2A and B and CD equal to 1A. AB equal to don't know. Find AD. Find AD. AD means this distance. How to find? This is right angle triangle only. This is right angle triangle. Use Pythagoras. Use Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to CD square plus AD square. We want AD square only. So AD square, this value equal to this transpose AC square minus CD square. AC equal to what here? 2A whole square minus CD. CD means 1A whole square. 2 2s are 4A square. 1A square means 1A square. 4A square minus 1A square equal to 3A square. AD equal to root 3A square, that equal to root 3A. So this side equal to root 3A. One more time I will explain. ADC, this triangle ADC, this is right angle triangle. Angle D equal to 90 degrees, 60, 30. Satisfied triangle. Next one, AC length equal to 2A, CD length equal to 1A, AD length equal to 2. So how to find this is right angle triangle, hypotenuse there, side there 1. So use Pythagoras, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. I want AD value, this value I want. AD square equal to this value transpose left side AC square minus CD square. AC value is 2A whole square, CD value 1A whole square. 4A square minus 1A square. 4A minus 1, 3A square. So AD equal to root 3A square. Root 3A square means this is all values you know. Now use this triangle. Sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 means angle is here. Angle here means I am drawing this triangle A, B, C. This triangle I am drawing. So A angle is 30 degrees. This is 90. This is 60. So AD length how much? Root 3A. CD length how much? 1A. AC length equal to 2A. Okay. So this value is only right here. AC equal to 2A. Okay. AC equal to 2A, CD equal to 1A, and AD equal to root 3A. Now sin 30 degrees take. 30 degrees values. Sin 30 degrees. Sin equal to here only angle means this is opposite side. This is adjacent now. This is opposite side. Consider this is angle. This is opposite. This is adjacent side. This is opposite side. Hypotenuse always hypotenuse. Sin 30 equal to opposite side what? Form is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite equal to 1A by hypotenuse equal to 2A. A cancel 1 by 2. Cos 30 degrees. Cos 30. Cos means what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent equal to what? Root 3. Root 3A by 2A. That equal to root 3 by 2. Tan 30 equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite equal to 1A by adjacent equal to root 3A. That equal to 1 by root 3. Cot 30 equal to